In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to get started using Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to want to do is click the Google Classroom app if you have it pinned or if you have it available in your apps, but you can always go ahead in the address bar and type in classroom.google.com. Once that opens, if this is your first time, it's going to ask you to sign in and tell if you're a student or a teacher. Obviously, click teacher, and then it will tell you to create your first class. But you can also find that plus to create your first class up in the top right. So if I click plus and do create class, I'm going to give it your class a class name. I'll say classroom introduction. Section is if you're teaching the same course to multiple periods, you can, block B, and then your subject, you can make your subject area, and then click create. And this is going to open up your beginner like spot to start developing your class. So what you're going to notice first is this picture up at the top, which you can change by doing select theme, or if you have your own photo you're going to use, you can do upload photo. But if I go ahead and click select theme, it's going to show me what I have available for already themes that are in here provided by Google. So you can scroll and see really whatever you need. I can select the theme that I have or that I want. I click select class theme, and you're going to see it's going to change the picture as well as the color. What we've done now is we've changed our theme to look what it looks like. Like we want it like this. We have our name, and now I want to show you some of the different pieces. So what we're looking at right here is the stream, and this is where all the information that your students will receive will go. So that'll be assignments, announcements, which we'll get into later, any information that's provided. What you can see here is the Students tab. We currently have no students, so this is empty. And we have the About tab. The About tab is where you can provide some information about this class that can be accessible to students throughout the duration of the class. So this is where they can go to get a syllabus, to get maybe a particular rubric, some other information that would be useful at any given time from September to June. Okay, you can give your class a description here. So this is where you can provide more information. You can put your classroom number here if you would like. All of this stuff is optional. And then we can save that. But down below, you can see add class materials. This is where if you click this, you can add your syllabus. And you can attach a file that's on your computer. You can click this to access your Google Drive. You can see if I click this, it's going to go right to my Google Drive. So you can attach the syllabus that you have saved there. And all you do is you simply click it. So we can click this and we can add it. And you can see it's added here. You can also add YouTube videos. You can also put links to different websites. So let's just say I put the syllabus there, and that just happened to be a spreadsheet. I can also add more. Maybe I want to give a YouTube video with more information that I've created or anyone that's out there. You can add videos just like that. You select it and add. We can post that. And maybe I also want to provide a link to a website, maybe my own website. But I'll just put our school's website, and I can add link and post. So I've added all those different types of materials here, and those will remain there. If you have a co-teacher, you can click invite teacher, and you can start typing in the email address here of your co-teacher. Click your magnifying glass, and you're going to see you can click Paula Johnson or whoever it was, click next, and then invite, and they will be invited to your class. And you can see up here, Paula Johnson has been invited. So very easy to get going. The other quick thing I wanted to show you is in the About section, in your Google Drive, Classroom automatically creates folders there. So you can see this Google Drive folder. And if I click that, it's going to open up my Google Drive and show this classroom folder where all templates of assignments go, where student work goes. So you can access everything from your Google Drive, but it is best to just work within Google Classroom to give the assignments, correct the assignments, view everything. It's just much easier to work directly from Classroom, but understand that Google Drive contains a copy of all of those materials. And you can see if I go backwards to my Classroom folder, I'm going to have a whole lot of folders here for all these different types of classes that I've been a part of, a co-teacher of, or a teacher of. So all of these classes, these folders have materials in them. So really that's the basics for using Classroom. You have 3 sections: the stream, students, and about, and I'll go into those in another video.